In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a membership site on Shopify. We'll be using a popular app called Seal Subscriptions to turn your regular Shopify store into a membership-based site. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have a working membership setup that you can customize for your products and customers. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of your dashboard, you'll see a search bar. Click on that search bar, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Apps. In the Apps area, type Seal Subscriptions into the search field. This will open the Shopify App Store in a new view. From the search results, find the Seal Subscriptions app and click the Install button. Follow all of the on-screen installation prompts until the app is fully installed and connected to your store. Once the installation is done, you'll be taken to the Seal Subscriptions dashboard. At the top, look for a card labeled App Embed Status. On the lower left of that card, click the Enable button. This will open your Shopify theme editor in a new window or tab. On the left-hand panel of the theme editor, find the section related to the subscription script and make sure it is toggled on or enabled. When that's done, click Save in the top right corner. After saving, look back to the left-hand panel and click the option that says Manage App. This will return you to the Seal Subscriptions dashboard. Back on the dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Subscription Rules. Inside this section, you'll see a card with a message saying that the widgets are disabled in your shop. These widgets are what display the subscription and membership options on your storefront. On the right side of that card, click the Enable button to turn them on. Now, click the Create Rule button. A pop-up will appear asking you to choose a subscription rule type. From the available options, select Membership. This tells the app that you're setting up a membership-style subscription rather than a simple recurring product. You'll now see editing and styling options on the left and a live preview on the right. In the first card, called General Information, give your rule a clear name and add a label for the plan selector. This is what customers will see when choosing their membership option. In the Membership Tag card, add a membership customer tag and a membership order tag. These tags are important because they help you identify and segment your members inside Shopify, and you can use them later for things like exclusive content, discounts, or automations. Next, in the product selection type card, choose whether this membership applies to specific products or to all products in your store. If you choose Apply to Specific Products, you'll need to scroll down to the products available for membership card and select the products you want to include. If you choose Apply to All Products, you don't have to select anything else here. Then move to the Selling Plans card. Here, enter a selling plan name, which could be something like monthly membership or annual access. Select the delivery or billing intervals, such as every month or every 3 months. Set the minimum required number of payments if you want to enforce a commitment period, and the maximum number of payments if this membership should end after a certain time. Next, choose what kind of discount, if any, is applied to members. You can choose no discount, a fixed amount off, a percentage discount, or a fixed product price. Once you choose the type, enter the appropriate value. You can also configure automatic discount modification if you want the discount to change over time. For example, increasing the discount for long-term members. If you want to offer multiple membership options, such as a basic and a premium tier, click Add Selling Plan and repeat the same process for each additional plan, setting different intervals, discounts, or limits as needed. When you're happy with all your settings, scroll down and click Save Rule at the bottom. This saves your membership configuration and makes it ready to use on your Shopify store. That's it. You've now created a membership setup on Shopify using Seal Subscriptions, and you can start offering exclusive access, perks, or pricing to your members.